Steady gardener here. Just about ready to get out of here and go to work. Just wanted to give you guys a little short video, and I have a question about my plum tree. But first, again, here's my apple tree. You see I'm getting flowers on there, so a lot of buds. So she's doing very good. Just hanging in there. Over here is the peach tree. She's doing very good also. A lot of flowers. So she's surviving. Now over here is my plum tree. You guys remember I had a plum tree I planted last year. Didn't make it over the winter. So I picked up another one. And it has a lot of branches, a lot of buds. So I need to cut this tree back. But I'm not sure if I should do it now or wait till after the summer. Or is it okay to do it now? I'm not really sure on how to trim this tree. I just know I want to thin it out some so I can get more growth and more strength in this. Like I said, I watched a few of you guys' videos. Black Farmer 73. If you can hit me back, I really appreciate it. So give me some guidance on getting this tree up and right. I appreciate everybody's help. If you like my videos, please hit like, subscribe. Please leave me a comment. Be looking forward to it. Thank you. Steady gardener.